Hey guys, today I'm going to be painting and making a little volcano. So now please watch. Now if you're doing this at home, you have to do this with an adult because this is actually really hard and dangerous. Once you remove the plaster, you must straight away turn it around, and this stuff right here, just carefully remove it. And now when that is done, you get the paint. Here's my paintbrush. Here's my paintbrush. So then you get the water. And then you have to paint it the white colors for a volcano. And if you don't have brown, that doesn't matter. As you can see what I am doing, trying to make it look like the dried up lava, like when it dries up it turns black in real life. I'm trying to make it look like that. So because my videos can only go for 3 minutes and like 95 seconds, I'm not going to paint the whole entire thing, then I'll do the rest off camera. So, hey guys, now I'm going to actually be finishing my volcano experiment. So now to watch. You get some dishwash liquid and you don't pour too much. You just go boop, boop, that's all. Then you get red paint, go dab, 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 dab. And some yellow paint. Dab, 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 dab. A bit more of yellow and red. Pour that in. Then after that, add a tiny bit of vinegar. If it doesn't work the first, then pour in a bit more. And there you go. There was a volcano experiment. Now, if there was a person here, they would be like, hey. So if you live near a volcano, I say you evacuate the city. Bye.